Hey, what's up SLP coin holder? What's going on this time? SLP price were very badly fails down minus 5.83%. The SLP price were fails down in last 24 hours, but in last 3 days you can see plus 3.34% they will get a profit. So many congratulations SLP coin holder. I have a lot of good news for all SLP coin holder, and I am going my friends to predicate this coin, and also my friend I do a technical analysis, and at the end I will share my opinion. So please try to understand holder. This video is very important for you because whether the condition is very critical. So first of all my friend, as you can see here, absolutely my friend, the price will be increasing in upcoming days, don't worry. But this time I am going my friends to do something very special for you. So this time you can see my friend, absolutely every coin will moving upward after a short fail. So therefore absolutely I am going to draw the resistance line. So yes, the resistance line is here my friend. The first line present the highest point, the second line is resistance line, and the third line is 30 the lowest point. So every coin will moving in this circulation to after a dump they will pump, and after a pump they will dump. So this time you can see my friend, this circulation is clearly told you my friends. So you can see here, and very high time you can see my friend they will fails down. This in only 2 times they will hit the main line, the resistance line, and they will get a profit. Otherwise they will completely fails down. So try to understand holder, please hold down, don't starting selling, hold it. I hope my friends to in upcoming time the price will be pumping up and they will give you a very good profit. See you next time. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.